Why are attackers racing to use bugs Microsoft just fixed? Because time is everything in hacking. Here's what's happening, and what you need to do. Microsoft released a patch for a critical Office vulnerability. Cyber criminals moved fast, turning that bug into real attacks within days. The trick: malicious Office files, sent via email, embedded in links that execute code when opened. Targets reported suspicious documents that disable protections. They drop malware that steals data, or give remote access. Bottom line, patching alone isn't enough if people keep opening risky files. Update Office right now. Enable macros off by default. Scan attachments with antivirus before you open them. For businesses, block suspicious file types at the gateway. Train employees to spot weaponized docs. Quick action stops the playing field from favoring attackers. Patch. Scan. Think twice before you click.